Hello.
Finally, we have met each other.
I know. It's been what, a month?
Maybe, I think. So, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm well, and actually, last month, my university examinations were held. So that's why I was quite busy in doing that. Now I am free.
Oh,
But I got a new question wandering in my brain that suppose if you are invisible for a day, then what will you do?
that's a good question. If no one could see me?
Yes. Suppose, did you watch Hello Hello
Mhm.
movie?
Did I watch, what was that?
The movie, I think, Hello Man. But oh, sorry, Hollow Man.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I saw only some of it for some reason. I don't know why, but I didn't finish it. I think I didn't like it too much.
Okay.
But everyone liked it. I know that. I remember that.
But
Yeah.
suppose like that, if you suppose you are invisible, nobody can see you, then what will you do? Or anything you want to do?
To be honest, I don't know. I think it's very,
Actually,
like, I would
you
feel
did not think about that, right?
No, I know. I've never thought about that. And I I know it's a big superpower that people, but I don't think it's one that I would want. I would rather be strong or, be able to fly or something.
So you like flying.
I think so. I think because you can see, you can go, yeah, you can see beautiful views. You can,
Yes.
I don't know.
Suppose
Mhm.
after one night you wake up and saw you see your back that you have two wings,
Yeah.
then what will you do?
I would just probably fly all over the world.
To enjoy the beauty of the nature.
Yes, yes, exactly. And then be able to fly back home to, stay.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, it is a
Mhm.
one time happiness, one time for a long time in your back. Then is there anything problem with you? Is there anything wrong with you or not?
Exactly. I think that would be that would be concerning to me if I just suddenly woke up with two wings.
Yes, yes.
I mean, and and it might be a problem depending on how big they are, even to,
Oh,
like, to
so
get
that
through the door.
so that you are thinking that if they are very small, then I will hide this with my coat, with your
Right.
coat. Perfect.
Yeah, yeah, I think so. What would you, or actually, what superpower would you want?
Actually, I want to be invisible because invisible power is something like that. I want to be because I want to restrict some criminals committing
Mm.
their activities, and nobody can see me, nobody can watch me. Also, similarly, uh, the criminals do not watch me. That's why I can restrict them doing their criminal activities.
Yeah, how would you restrict them even though even though
Suppose
you're invisible? Mhm.
Yes, suppose I I am noticing that someone or uh, or somebody is waiting for uh, in the market to steal something, or somebody is waiting for snatching purses. Then I will rush to them, and I will rush to him or her, and I will catch them, and I will. But because he or she cannot see me, so I will pat him. Then I think that he will be afraid of that, and uh, he will left the whatever he stole.
Yeah, he will leave whatever he's doing.
Yes, yes.
Exactly. Yeah. I agree. I think too you might be able to maybe do to him what he's done to others. You know, if he's stolen a bag or something, you can steal it back or take it back.
Good. And
Yeah.
yeah, where are you from now?
I'm from Toronto in Canada.
Oh, Toronto in Canada. Oh, yes.
And where?
You
Mhm.
said that in your profile video. I watched. And I am
I
from
see.
India. My name is Indrajit.
Sorry, I'm just going to see if I pronounced that right. Indrajit?
Yes,
Indrajit?
perfect, perfect,
Great,
perfect.
great. And where in India do you live?
I am from eastern part of India, and I live in the state name is West Bengal, and I live in the city. The city name is Kolkata. I live in Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Yes, Kolkata.
Okay, okay.
Do you hear about that?
You know, it's referenced in. I've heard of it because it's referenced in either a movie or show or something.
Okay.
Is it a very it's a very crowded city, right?
Obviously, it's crowded and also popular city also.
Yeah, I think that's why.
And popular saying that Kolkata is called City of Joy.
City of Joy?
Yes, because there are a lot of places to visit, and also there are a lot of restaurants, and also there are people are really happy, and also people are roaming about when they have holiday.
Hmm. So you think it's because the people are very happy?
Yes, according to that, and also there are a lot of places to visit, and there are many uh, like many complexes. So the and also there are a lot of privileges for
Hmm.
hospitals, schools. So that's why, and also transport. So that's why
Oh,
we called City of
okay.
Joy.
Does that mean it's very different than other cities in India?
No, in other city in West Bengal, yeah, there is different, but in India there are a lot of cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and a lot of cities and a lot of places are smarter and also popular. Smart city, Bangalore.
Yes, yes. Those are probably more well known
Hmm.
here. Delhi. Yeah, yeah. Have you lived there your whole life?
Uh, if I get a chance to go abroad, then I will definitely go. And I want to travel different places and also different countries like USA, UK, and also New Zealand, Australia. I want to travel across the world. So
Canada?
yeah,
Just kidding.
definitely.
It's not too exciting.
Oh, really?
Depending on what you want to do, but it's I don't know, it's not very exciting in my mind.
Okay. So what about Toronto?
Toronto is actually yes, it's a good city. There's a lot of um it's a big city full of like a lot of buildings, but also quite a lot of nature actually, if you look for it, and a lot of diversity, which I really like. So there's lots of Indian restaurants and
Oh, really?
Mexican
Oh,
restaurants.
wow.
Yeah, yeah, and
And
so
yeah,
there's variety.
if I visit there, then will you be my tour guide?
Of course, yes.
Lovely.
You need, yeah. I love going to a city where a local person can help you. Would you be my tour guide if I go to
Yeah, definitely,
Calcutta?
definitely, 100%. Have you been to India before?
No, no, I haven't been to any
You
Asian
should visit
countries.
once in your life in India.
Say that again.
You should visit once in your life in India.
I know, I know. My cousin went and she loved it. She went
Oh,
years ago though, but she loved it. What would you tell me, like what are three things I would need to do in Calcutta if I go?
I think first I want to ask you that are you foodie or not?
Am I sorry?
Are you a great foodie or not? Are you a foodie?
A
Do you like
foodie.
food?
Yes, I'm a big foodie. Yes.
Oh wow! So definitely Kolkata will provide you a lot of restaurants
Mm.
where you can get a lot of cuisines, whatever you want. And on
Okay.
the other hand, yes, and on the other hand, there are a lot of shopping malls. Then you can buy a lot of things, and
Mm.
and also a lot of dresses like different
Mm.
styles, and also there are a lot of visiting places like museum, Villa
Yeah.
Planetarium, and also Science City, and a lot of historical places are
Hmm.
present there. So
Hmm.
I think if you visit Kolkata, I guarantee you that you will never be bored.
Nice. Nice. That's what I want anytime I travel. I just don't want to be bored.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, my favorite thing to do is to travel and eat in all the best places.
Oh wow, great, great. And yeah, I am curious to know that how long are you in theater?
In Cambly?
No, no. Yeah, on Cambly also.
Oh, since November.
Oh, since November.
Hmm.
Okay, you recently joined. Yes.
Fairly recently, yeah.
Yes. And also, I want to ask that how many years have you spent in your theater life? Theater life,
Oh,
being
since
an actor.
about actually, oh wow, it's been 5 years now. 5 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I didn't realize, but
So,
this. Mhm,
yeah,
mhm.
yeah. Tell me, go on, go on.
No, no, just to say that this past like for 1 year, it's been almost nothing because of the
Yes,
pandemic.
actually, because of COVID. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I hope everything will be fine soon. Uh, let's see.
I know. You just have to stay hopeful, stay positive, right?
Yes, exactly. And you are so
Yeah.
positive, and hopefully see you soon again because my time is running out firstly. And
I
it was
know, I
really,
know.
really lovely to meet you because I am waiting for you a long time.
I know, finally we met after 4 months or something. But yes, it was so lovely meeting you, and I'm so glad we got to speak as
Yes.
well.
Thank you very much and
Doing this. And yes,
take
take
care.
care, Indrajit. I'll see you
Lovely.
next time. Take care. Bye bye.